Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to my channel. Today I've got a fall-inspired manicure and I thought this color would be perfect. It's called Metallic Mango. I've chosen this H la Cosedora stamping plate called Eskimo Kisses. It's available on her website, HlaCosedora.com. Remember, you can use my discount code Jenny10 to get 10% off your order. Let's get started. I'm using this light orange Born Pretty stamping polish to pick up different parts of the bottom image on the plate. I'll stamp different parts on 3 nails. And now it's time to stamp the image that actually inspired me to create this manicure. I pick up the full image first, just so that I have an idea of where every part of the design will go. Now I'll pick up the different parts in the colors that I want to use. The jacket is going to be yellow and I'll use H la Cosedora's Hello Sunshine yellow stamping polish. For her hair, I chose Purple Rain, another beautiful H la Cosedora stamping polish. On this nail, the image didn't transfer completely, so I used a piece of tape to remove the excess. And I stamped it one more time. I use a nude polish for the little face. And now comes the best part. It's time to stamp using the black polish. So I'll pick up the original image and stamp it carefully over the colors. And I ended up with this super cute design. I really love the way it turned out. I'll fill in the empty spaces using this glitter called Splatter Spell. It's from Sinful colors. Now it's time to choose a top coat. Can you guess what I'm gonna do? If you said matte, you were right. I'm using my Sally Hansen matte top coat to apply a matte finish to all the nails. I love to see the transformation from glossy to matte. Here's the completed manicure. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun with this one and it turned out even better than what I imagined. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you're enjoying my content, please leave a thumbs up and share my video with someone you think might enjoy it. You can also leave a comment. It helps out my channel a lot.